And we're gonna do experiments at the beach, everybody.
Hey guys, did you notice my suit?
Oh snap! Elena has a new lab coat. Show it off, show it off. Give it a spin around, girl. Whoa, laboratory, showing off labs. All right, so today we're gonna go and introduce you guys to Elena's guests for the day.
So now we're gonna introduce our guests.
Spill the water. What kind of guest are you? Oh my gosh. Who are you guys?
What happened? Well, anyways, since my cousins are guests here, we're gonna get a sample of the ocean and the sand to see what's inside. If you guys did not know, sands are little tiny rocks. Get out of here! Looks like they're here. What took you so long? I don't know. Well, that's not some water juice. Sorry about your laboratory.
Alright guys, are you guys gonna help us today with the lab experiment?
Yeah!
You know what we're doing?
Yeah!
What do you mean no, boy?
I don't know.
So we're gonna go get a sample of the ocean water and the sand and we're gonna see what's inside.
The sand?
Yep.
Let's see if we can find a turtle. We're gonna get dry sand and wet sand. Oh, you can see the difference. Go on TikTok.
Woo!
Alright, now we're gonna get the sand first. I'll collect the sand for you. I'm gonna get the dry sand. She's gonna get the wet sand. Alright, I'll collect the sand with her. Let's go.
We'll get the samples.
Wait, no, partner. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
So right now we're gonna get dry sand. We're gonna put it in the vial.
Time to go get the water.
Alright, what did you guys collect?
Wet sand.
Wet sand? Alright, now it's time to collect dirty water.
Dirty water.
Yeah, both you and Elena get dirty water.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god. It's so cold. Nope, I quit Elena's laboratory. It's so cold. Do you have water?
Yes, check and check.
Awesome. Now we're going to take it back and we're going to figure out what's inside ocean water and dry sand?
Yep.
And dry sand.
And wet sand
Oh.
and water. We're done.
What did you guys get?
Dirty water and wet sand.
Okay, awesome. We're going to take it back and we're going to test what's inside wet sand and the ocean.
My cousins helped me with by getting sand and water. First, we're gonna do the sand. First, we're gonna start with the dry sand that me and Isaac got. Okay, let's take a little scoop. Oh! Wait, someone's grab it. So, how many scoops are we gonna need? This is our second scoop.
Probably just 2.
Okay, that was 2 scoops. That's enough time for the wet sand.
Careful with that one.
It dripped a little.
I think you can just like pour it right here a little bit.
Okay. You found something? You found something? It's so stuck. Okay. Now since we got the water out, time to scoop it out. It's hard to scoop a little bit.
It's like ice cream. Oh, look how it reacted. It kind of like slumped back.
Boop. Whoa, once you tap it down, it's like, what?
That is so much different from the dry sands.
Okay. Comment down below which is heavier. This one was harder to get out. And look, it still looks like it's filled up. Now it's time to look at the sands. Wait a sec. Anna, we forgot to tell them to subscribe. Hit the notifications bell. Ring, 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 ring. And don't forget to like this video. We are working very hard to get you so many videos. All right, back to the experiment. Which one should we do first? Hey, Anna, how about you decide?
Dry sand.
Okay, since we started with it first. All right, now, let's see. Whoa, look at all the minerals.
What do you see, scientist Elena?
What I see is some little black dots, which are a little bit of sand. And look at the wet sand and see the difference. Now, if you guys can see, it looks very wet. It looks like poop.
You can still see a lot of like the black dots, tiny red dots here and there.
Since we let it sit there for just a few minutes, it's already very hard.
So what is your conclusion, Elena?
That
Which one is heavier?
wet sand is heavier than dry sand. Next, we're moving on to the water. First, let's start with the one that me and Isaac got. Whoa. It kind of looks like ocean in a bottle. The one that Nina and Adrian got is this one, the clean water. Let's see. Now what we're going to do is put one of these bottles into one container. Kids, if you're doing this experiment, make sure you have a parent watching. We have 2 cups, and right here we have some green soap.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the dirty water and the clean water and see how it interacts with soap.
Scientists, make sure you are careful.
And then
Okay, so now we're gonna pour it in.
make sure you always keep your station clean and always have towels available. So now Elena's opening up the clean water. There
That
you
wasn't
go.
a mess.
See? That's how it works. Now what we're gonna do,
Pour the soap in.
we're gonna put probably like a squirt of soap in each one and see what happens. That's good. And then we'll see what happens. And then the next container. Ooh, alright, that's good. Now it's time to observe what's happening.
What do you mean by observe?
Well, observe means you look at the experiment, you look at what you have, and then you write down or you just talk about what you see. Is it bubbling? Is it staying still? What color is it? What's happening to the sand?
All right. So now we're gonna observe.
All right, Elena. What can you see? Does it look like the same is happening in each bottle?
No. Now let me see. Let's take this off.
So this, she's gonna spill the clean water in here with the soap so we can have a better look.
Whoa.
It mixed. Okay. There's like a little speck. I think it's from like the sand. Do you see like sand in there?
Maybe just a
Alright.
little bit.
It's like a tiny bit, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, now mix it with the tweezers.
Tweezers.
Yeah, those are big kid tweezers.
What is this for?
For measuring. What do you guys think?
Kind of green. Hey, Nina! After we're done with the experiment and we're done with everything after the video, I think you should go to you should go to Anna's channel and subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Hit the notification button.
You
got right into my eye. Sorry. Good thing you didn't have sand on your hands. Oh, I did. Look.
Ew.
That's gross.
Soapy sand.
Water.
Soapy wet sand.
Water.
We have our own little beach right here. Mini beach.
On a tray. Sorry, why do I always have to go like this? Oh, the perfect hole. Oh my god. Thanks for watching the science experiment. Bye, señorita. Bye, señorito.
And we will see you guys next time on Elena's next science experiment. Elena, what are you doing? What is going on? Have you turned into a mad scientist?